Dzień dobry, cześć. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. For boys back. I'm on my way to my work, but unfortunately there is bad weather today. While I'm walking from my house to here, tram stop, ayan, nabasa ako. There is a snowstorm. Basa na ako. There's bad weather after the winter. It's the problem of changing climate, changing the weather from winter to spring. So I'm here, and today is still holiday because today is Monday, bank holiday. Monday. Yesterday. Happy Easter to all. I'm waiting here at the tram, going to bus station. Look at my shoes. Yeah, look at my shoes. I'm wet. Even I have big umbrella, but there is wind. The weather, the temperature today is 6 degrees, and the problem is very windy. So we have to wait the tram. Only one ride going to bus station, where I have to start my duty. That is the mall, Posnania Mall. It is closed due to lockdown and also holiday. Yeah, tram number 17 is already here. Just two stop. Just two stop. Then I have to get down to the bus station. People, holiday, and the weather is bad. 60 kilometers per hour. We are here in the station. That the bus station is 2 minutes walk. My umbrella is shaking. Sabar natin. Mababad pa na. Tara na. Vlog pa more. Vlog mo na. Nag-blink na. Ayan. Look at the price of Subway. 8.95 zloty only. But in Dubai is 20. I'm already here in the bus station, where I have to start my duty, Rondos Rodka bus station, and I have to say thank you so much for watching, and hope you like it. And to those who did not yet subscribe my channel, please do, and don't hesitate to click the notification bell for you to be notified if I have new videos to come. Yeah, this is the bus station, Rondos. Again, thank you so much. Bye bye, poor boy. So this is it. Snowstorm. Look at this snowstorm. Oh my god. Oh, very strong wind and snow. This is the snowstorm. Oh. God. Kaya nabasa yung aking sapatos kanina.
Hindi ko na-videohan eksakto. Snowstorm. Snowstorm.